Carefully selecting only the finest cocoa pods, they are then gathered into containers for easy transportation to the processing unit. The real excitement begins once they arrive at the small cleaning unit attached to the farm, where large machines cut the cocoa pods in half to extract the core. As we watch the workers, they efficiently separate the cocoa nibs that protect the cocoa beans, setting aside the other materials. These nibs, once dried, develop a skin layer on their surface. After air drying, the nibs are checked to ensure they're ready for roasting, with a preliminary quality test confirming they are suitable for making cocoa butter and chocolate, based on their ease of breakage. Next, cocoa beans are poured into a hopper, from where they are gradually moved to collection bins with the help of vibrators. The vibrators first use vibrations to remove the fine skin from the cocoa beans. Then, the clean beans are sent to the roaster. As the nibs roast, they begin to expose the cocoa beans inside their shells. Separating machines then detach the beans from the husks, which are collected in dust bins, while the cocoa beans are sent to the grinding machines, where they are ground into cocoa powder. Now, let's gather the remaining ingredients needed for Nutella. First, sugar beads are harvested. Once a significant amount has been collected at the processing unit, the sugar beads go through a series of cleaning processes, shredding, and the sugar-making process. Sugar plays an essential role in Nutella, and only the finest white sugar is approved after testing, ensuring it's placed into the production line using a vibrator system to guarantee quality. Next, we focus on the milk, which comes from carefully selected, happy cows. It's believed that happier, well-fed cows produce sweeter and higher quality milk, so the farm owners regularly update the quality assurance team on the cow's well-being and milk production. Once the highest quality milk is delivered to the Nutella production line, it undergoes testing for quality. Only after receiving approval from experts is the milk used in production. After securing cocoa, milk, and sugar, the next ingredient we need is hazelnuts, which are sourced from Turkey, known for its high-quality hazelnuts. When it's time to harvest the hazelnuts, based on Nutella's production demands, the harvesting process begins. Heavy machinery is used, and during the process, some debris is also collected. Specialized machinery selectively collects the hazelnuts and uses a back blower to return the rest of the debris to the ground. Upon arriving at the factory, the hazelnuts are roasted and separated from their shells. A human inspection is essential to ensure no undesirable materials are included, maintaining the flavor's quality. The final ingredient that prevents Nutella from solidifying and adds flavor is palm oil. Palm fruits are harvested and taken to factories, where they are sterilized and threshed. This process separates the fruits from the bunches, which are then mechanically pressed to extract the oil. With all the ingredients gathered, production at the factory begins. The first step involves blending the hazelnut paste with raw cocoa powder in a mixer until it forms a smooth mixture. The natural oil content in the cocoa paste and hazelnuts transforms the mixture into a silky smooth paste. Afterward, the essential ingredients sugar, milk powder, and other secret ingredients are added one by one and mixed until everything combines into a smooth, delicious spread. The highly anticipated Nutella spread is now ready. After mixing, the spread is packaged into glass jars, ensuring the flavors are perfectly sealed inside. The jars are carefully filled, sealed, and labeled to preserve the Nutella and guarantee its addictive taste in every bite. The process of filling and sealing buckets with Nutella also happens smoothly with clean, efficient nozzles. After being filled, the buckets pass under detectors to ensure proper sealing and prevent any product from going to waste. The sealing machines expertly handle the caps, ensuring the Nutella is perfectly sealed. Next, we shift focus to a different production line, where jam-filled biscuits are being made at high speed. Machines work in unison, efficiently filling, sealing, and packing biscuits with jam. This process is so fast that nearly 100 million biscuits can be produced in a single day, shaped like sunflowers for added visual appeal. Similarly, cupcakes, waffles, and other treats are created with speed and precision. Machines prepare the dough, shape it, and move it through proofing chambers to rise before cooking in waffle makers. These mini waffles are quickly made in ready-made factories to streamline breakfast preparation while ensuring freshness. And that's not all. If you're curious about more bulk production processes, we're here to show you how it's all done with efficiency, innovation, and advanced machines, ensuring products are created in large quantities, saving time while maintaining quality.